Trains, they thunder across continents, connecting cities and people. But sometimes, danger strikes. These iron giants, symbols of progress and connectivity, can become scenes of unexpected peril. Unexpected events turn ordinary journeys into thrilling escapes. A serene trip can quickly transform into a heart-pounding race against time. Imagine a runaway train hurtling down the tracks, its brakes failing, gaining speed with every passing second. The sheer momentum of thousands of tons of steel, unstoppable and relentless. Or picture a flash flood, nature's fury unleashed, threatening to wash away a bridge. The water levels rise alarmingly, the tracks submerged, the bridge's stability in question. Then there's the sudden landslide, a wall of earth and rock crashing down, blocking the path. The train, a symbol of human ingenuity, now faces the raw power of nature. These are the moments when railway safety becomes more than just rules, it becomes a lifeline. Every safety measure, every inspection, every protocol is put to the ultimate test. In these heart-stopping situations, quick thinking and bravery often mean the difference between life and death. The crew's training kicks in, passengers' instincts sharpen, and every second counts. Passengers and crew alike have shown incredible courage, risking their own safety to save others. Stories of heroism emerge, where ordinary people perform extraordinary acts. Throughout history, there have been numerous instances where quick thinking and bravery have averted disaster. From the early days of rail travel to modern times, these stories are a testament to human resilience. Today, advancements in technology have made trains safer than ever. Modern control rooms, advanced safety systems, and constant monitoring ensure that risks are minimized. Continuous training and emergency drills prepare the crew for the unexpected. Simulations of various scenarios ensure that they are ready to act swiftly and efficiently. Despite the potential dangers, trains remain one of the safest and most beloved modes of transportation. Families, adventurers, and daily commuters all trust in the reliability and safety of rail travel. Their stories remind us that even in the face of danger, hope and heroism can prevail. The relief and joy of passengers after an emergency, the celebrations of a successful rescue, and the emotional reunions all highlight the triumph of the human spirit. As the sun sets over the tracks and the train disappears into the horizon, we are reminded of the incredible journeys and the brave souls who ensure our safety. Daring escapes on the rails are not just tales of danger but also of courage, resilience, and hope. Picture this: a bustling city intersection where the hustle and bustle of daily life never seems to slow down. People are in a rush, cars are honking, and everyone is trying to get to their destination as quickly as possible. Amidst this chaos, cars are lined up at a railroad crossing. The warning lights flash urgently, signaling the approach of a train. Drivers impatiently tap their fingers on the steering wheel, waiting for the train to pass. The bells clang loudly, a clear warning to all. But one driver, distracted by their phone, doesn't notice the impending danger. The train is barreling towards the crossing, its horn blaring a deafening warning. It's a scene straight out of an action movie. The tension is palpable, and for a moment, time seems to stand still. The train and the car are on a collision course, and everyone watching holds their breath. But this is no movie, this is real life, and the stakes couldn't be higher. This is where railway safety protocols kick in. The train engineer, highly trained for emergencies, slams on the emergency brakes. Years of training and experience come into play in these critical moments. The train screeches to a halt, just feet from the car. The sound of metal grinding against metal fills the air, and the tension is almost unbearable. The driver, shaken but unharmed, steps out of the car, heart pounding. They realize how close they came to disaster and learn a valuable lesson that day. Always be alert at railroad crossings. It's a simple yet crucial reminder. Paying attention can mean the difference between life and death. The next time you find yourself at a railroad crossing, remember this story, stay vigilant, stay safe, and never underestimate the importance of being alert. High in the Rocky Mountains, where the air is thin and the peaks touch the sky, a passenger train climbs a steep incline, its engines straining against the gradient. Suddenly, the unthinkable happens. The train's brakes fail. The once steady ascent turns into a perilous descent. The train begins to roll backward, picking up speed with every passing second. The metal wheels screech against the tracks, echoing through the mountains. Panic grips the passengers as they realize the danger. Faces turn pale and frantic whispers fill the air. Some clutch their seats, while others look desperately for a way out. But amidst the chaos, a hero emerges. A figure of calm and determination steps forward, cutting through the fear like a beacon of hope. The train conductor, a seasoned veteran with nerves of steel, springs into action. His years of experience and training come to the forefront as he assesses the situation. He quickly contacts the engineer, and together they devise a daring plan. Their voices steady, they discuss the best course of action, knowing that every second counts. Using a combination of emergency brakes and strategic track switches, they work in unison, their movements precise and calculated. The conductor's hands move swiftly over the controls, his eyes never leaving the tracks ahead. They manage to slow the runaway train and guide it safely onto a siding, averting a disaster. The train comes to a halt, and a collective sigh of relief sweeps through the carriages. The passengers, once gripped by fear, now look at the conductor with gratitude and admiration. The hero of the Rocky Mountains has saved the day. Railway safety isn't just about luck or heroism, it's about a complex system of rules, protocols, and technology designed to prevent accidents. Think of it like a safety net, always there, even if we don't always see it. These rules cover everything from speed limits and signal systems to train maintenance and employee training. They are the result of decades of experience, constantly evolving to meet new challenges. By following these rules, we create a safer environment for everyone, from passengers and crew to people living near the tracks. Sadly, history is filled with examples of what happens when railway safety is ignored. Accidents, some tragic, remind us that the consequences of negligence can be devastating. A signal overlooked, a track inspection missed, a safety procedure ignored. Any of these can have catastrophic results. These incidents serve as stark reminders of the importance of vigilance and responsibility. They underscore the need for continuous improvement in safety measures and the constant pursuit of a zero-accident culture in the railway industry. A stitch-in-time inspections and prevention. Preventing accidents is always better than dealing with their aftermath. That's where regular inspections and maintenance come into play. Think of it like going to the doctor for a checkup. It's easier to stay healthy than to recover from an illness. Inspectors meticulously examine tracks for defects, test signals for accuracy, and ensure that trains are in top condition. They are the unsung heroes of railway safety, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep the trains running smoothly and safely. Technology to the rescue, modern safety marvels. Technology is a game-changer in railway safety. From sophisticated sensors that monitor track conditions to automated systems that prevent collisions, technology is constantly evolving to make trains safer than ever. Positive train control, for example, is like having an extra set of eyes and ears on the tracks. It can automatically slow down or stop a train if it detects a potential hazard, preventing accidents caused by human error. Every passenger a guardian personal responsibility. While technology and regulations play a vital role, safety is everyone's responsibility. Passengers can do their part by paying attention to their surroundings, following safety instructions, and reporting any suspicious activity. Remember, if you see something, say something. Your vigilance could save lives. By being alert and informed, we all contribute to a safer and more enjoyable journey for everyone. Safe journeys, thrilling adventures. Trains are incredible feats of engineering, whisking us away on adventures to new destinations. And while we marvel at their speed and power, let's also appreciate the crucial role that safety plays in every journey. By embracing safety protocols, respecting the rules of the rails, and staying vigilant, we can all enjoy the thrill of the ride while ensuring that every journey is a safe one. So next time you board a train, remember, adventure awaits, and safety paves the way.